Welcome to this episode of In the Frame. I'm back here at Project Outlook, where we are looking down the beautiful Wye Valley. And today I'm going to be talking about roof coverings. So, Oakwrights, we build what we would call country contemporary homes, where we're linking that tradition with the open plan, glazed areas, making the most of a view from the plot. But a large part of any project is the roof. So what we put on the roof will have a big effect regarding the look and the feel of a property. I'm here on the garage part of the project. We've got a sort of an area, living quarters above the garage, and so quite a large roof. We're in the process of roofing. We're using a Cooper 12. Now I'm going to talk to you about some of the technical details, and for that I am going to refer to my technical pamphlet so that I don't stumble on my words. So the Cooper 12 has been brought into the UK for just over 30 years, longer than what I've been oak framing, just. It's a great product, high quality product. Its water absorption is 0.16 to 0.17, bending strength 50 to 57 MPa, SO2 test S1, high resistance to pollution, acid and rain, 3-4 compliant, thermal cycle T1, standard EN 12326 natural slate. So a BRE assessed certified. So that's a technical detail. But why do we like using this slate? Well, it's a natural product. It's quarried, so it's not manufactured, it's not fired, so it uses a lot less energy to produce. We are here on the Welsh borders in Herefordshire, so historically we would have used a natural Welsh slate. You can still get those slates, they're absolutely beautiful, they are incredibly expensive, so a really good substitute in a way, still a natural slate, is the Cooper 12. Manufactured, quarried in Spain. It comes from northern Spain. The life expectancy of this slate would be well over 100 years. So that would be down to whether it's got good fixings, quality fixings. We are using copper nails here. It's fully ventilated. So this roof, minimum 100 years, it will go on for a lot longer than that. So that's great. It's a long-lasting material which goes along with our oak frame, which we will expect to stand for literally 200 or 300 years. So now we're going to go onto the other side of the roof and see the chaps installing the slates. So I'm now here with Toby, who's carrying out the roofing on the garage here at Project Outlook. What is the process then of setting out and carrying out the roof process?
So first things first, myself and Kev will get here. So first things, felt and batten. Bit more to it with slating because you got to try and gauge out at the top so you don't have like loads of little cuts.
Yes.
So you've got to try and gauge it out a bit. As he's a new build, everything kind of is nice and square, so it makes our job
hopefully.
Yeah, touch wood.
Yeah.
And like your dormers round the front, there's a bit more work in them, just trying to work out so they all comes in together.
And I see here you've got between the skylights, it's nicely set out there. Seems to be almost the same cut either side there.
Yeah, so when we felt and batten it, and you've got your overface, your vent as well underneath here,
yeah,
to allow your airflow to go up to your ridge. We'll mark out top and bottom from one gable to the other, and then we'll ping lines then. I don't know if you can see them quite on the batten.
Yes.
So we know pretty much.
So that's a vertical line running up and where.
That's it, yeah. So as you look up, all your slates look nice and straight, and it does make it easier for me and Kev when we're like cutting round stuff.
Yes.
Because we've got a line to measure to and stuff all the time.
Keeping it nice and accurate, yes.
Yeah.
I did do some slating when I was younger. I must admit I didn't do that. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of In the Frame, where I've been describing the slating or the application of the slates to the garage here at Project Outlook. So please remember, like, subscribe, leave us a comment, we'll come back to you, and I will see you on the next episode of In the Frame.